Hey there, fellows, crafty friends. Welcome to our channel where creativity meets coziness. Today, we are going to make something truly special, a hand knitted birdhouse with a beautiful floral pattern. That's right, we're going to knit a home for our feather friends and add a touch of elegance with the stunning floral design. I'm so excited to share this project with you. First, let's make a round shaped birdhouse with a gorgeous floral pattern. This is a great project for beginners and it's so easy to make. You will need some cotton yarn, a pair of knitting needles, and stitches like the garter stitch and the stockinette stitch. As you can see, the round shaped birdhouse is made by knitting a series of concentric circles. We are going to add a floral pattern to the birdhouse by knitting a series of small flowers and leaves and then attaching them to the birdhouse using a tapestry needle and yarn. The floral pattern is made up of small flowers and leaves which are knitted using a combination of garter and stockinette stitch. We are going to use a variety of colors to create a beautiful and vibrant design. You can use any combination of colors you like, but for this project, we are going to use the shade of pink, yellow, green, blue. Once you have knitted all the flowers and leaves, you can attach them to the birdhouse using a tapestry needle and yarn. Simply few the flowers and leaves you onto the birdhouse, spacing them out evenly to create a beautiful and balanced design. And here's the finished project. It's not just the most adorable thing you have ever seen. The floral pattern adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to the birdhouse, making it truly unique and special piece. Just imagine the joys of watching a bird fly into his new home. Knowing that you made it with your own two hands, it's a feeling like no other, and it's worth hand knitting so special. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your yarn and needles and let's get knitting. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all our latest videos. And if you have any question or comment, please leave them below. Happy crafting! We will see you in the next video.